Here is the question number 2. Let's start with the class stock. Here is the data types, that is long integer id, rate and date. Here is the public variables, functions. This function should be used throughout all the program, right? Okay, firstly we have to start with the main function. Okay, class stock can create the three object creating concept is used in this. Okay, here we have to create three objects, A, B and C. Okay, write it at here. We have to use three objects, A, B, C. It means it gives the three values, one for A, one for B and one for C. Okay, firstly we would call the function register code with the help of A object. Okay, here is the register code, right? There is a value 1024 and 150. Here two variables is used, long integer I and float R. Okay, int I, the value of int I is 1024 and float R value is 150. Okay, let's compare with this. Here the value of id is 1024 and value of R is 150. Write it at here. The value of id is 1024 and value of rate is 150. Clear? Here the function should be closed. After that, with the help of B object, we have to again call register code with different values. In this case, these values are going to be changed. That should be changed to 2015 and that should be changed to 300. Here the value of id is 2015 and value of rate is 300. Okay, write it here. In the concept of in the case of B object, here the id is 2015 and the rate is 300, right? Again, B object is called the change function. Here is the change function. There are also two variables that should be used. There is also gives the value of variable of change function. First one is 100 and second one is 29. Okay, change with this. First one is 100 and second one is 29. Here this concept is used as we rewrite this is rate equals to rate plus new. Clear? Before this, write it at here. Here change the value of rate. Write it at here. Rate equals to rate plus new. As you know that what is the value of rate, that is 300, plus what is the value of new, that is 100. It means that should be 400. Clear? And next one is the date. Date is equal to dt and the value of dt is 29. That means date equals to 29. Clear? Okay, next should be the value of C. The C object calls the change function. Here also gives the two value, that is minus 20 and positive 20. Where is the C? Okay, change. Here what we have to do, firstly we don't have the value of rate, right? We have the value of new, that is minus 20 and value of dt, that is 20, but we don't have the value of initial rate. Then as you know that it should be used the constructor function. I mean to say this use the constructor, right? That should be use the value of this constructor, right? From this the value of id is 1001 and rate is 200 and date is 1. right? From these value we have to change the next one. These are the values. Okay, let's move to the change function. Here it should be called, okay, rate equals to rate plus new. Rate equals to rate plus new. Then what is the value of rate? That is 200 plus what is the value of new? That is minus 20. That should be changed to 200 minus 20, that is 180. The value of rate is 180. And next one is the value of date, dt. That should be okay, the value of dt is 20. Then date should be 20. Clear? It should be updated at here, right? Okay, then next we have to move this a dot show, b dot show, c dot show. Here we have to choose the value of this. Here we have to calculate the value of this. Okay, not shown this. Okay, a dot show, where is the show function? That is at here. What we have to do at there, that is state dot. Okay, firstly which object that should be called the show function? That is the a. Here a calls the this function. Okay, firstly what we have to do, write down the date first. Okay, as you know that here is, and it does not include the value of date, so we have to use the value of date from default constructor, that is the 1, right? Okay, secondly what should we use? id, hash and rate. What is the value of id? That is 1024. Hash, and what is the value of rate? That is 150. Clear? This should be the value of object a, right? Then move to the second one, that is b dot show. We have used the value of b object. Okay, again we have to move towards the show function. Date, here we know that what is the value of date? That is 29. Here date colons 29, and next move id, hash and rate. What is the value of id? That is 2015, and hash rate is 400. Okay, next move towards the c. C dot show. Again what is the value of d? That is 20, that is 20, and what is the value of id? That is 1001, and hash, what is the value of rate? That is 180. Okay, here we have to write the output, this one,